What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Adeze back at it again with another video. This video is basically just a simple tutorial of how I achieve my high puff. Very easy style, going to take less than 10 minutes to do, and yeah, very simple, very easy, nothing intricate. Also just a little snippet of how I do my edges now. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you may be notified by YouTube when I post new videos. So yeah, without further ado and my rambling, let's get into the video. First things first, I'm going to take a spray bottle and I'm going to begin by wetting my hair and making sure it's damp, not wet, but damp, just so it's easier to move around, basically. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Auntie Jackie Quench Leave-In Conditioner and I'm going to apply that mostly to the ends of my hair. And the front of my hair, just so that my edges are also nourished and moisturized and I'm not pulling on dry hair, basically. So I'm just applying that just to make sure my hair is well saturated in this. And then I'm going to take my hard bristle brush and I'm just going to brush mainly the sides around the perimeter of my hair, just to smooth it out a little bit, nothing too hectic. And I'm gonna take my Auntie Jackie Don't Shrink gel. Guys, this is literally like the easiest style ever. It's really quick, doesn't take up way too much time. So I'm gonna take this gel, about that much, and I'm going to apply that around the perimeter as well, just to smooth out that area. And then I'm going to go back in with my brush to smooth it out a little more. Okay, now, so the key to a really good high puff is obviously the tools that, well, basically the hair tie that you're going to use to tie up your hair. This is not a great example. This is way too thin for my hair. It actually rips my hair. This is just an old piece of stocking that I cut off. So make sure you have a thicker piece, something like this. This is actually really good. Most days when I want to go extra, then I use the extra longer piece. So I usually start from the back and then I just crisscross it in the front. So what you're going to do is crisscross it and then use your thumbs to push it back, and I'm going to use my thumbs to push at the back while simultaneously tightening it. You want it to be tight, but not like so tight that it hurts. So just push it. And then I'm trying not to push this front piece way too far back, but the back piece is coming up. Okay. And then push and then tighten. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to go around and keep on taking that around until I run out of it. This is what actually secures my puff. And then when I get to the end, I'm just going to tie it, tuck it in, and then I'm going to pull my hair out. Okay, just make sure that that piece is tucked in. So I'm going to pull my hair kind of like out of my hair tie. So what I like doing is defining my curls even more. So I always take a little bit of that gel and then I go on the front pieces and sort of like use the shingling separating method also while finger coiling, to actually give my puff a little bit more texture. Alright, just to define these curls. Okay, and then to finish my hair off, I take my, just hold on. And then to finish my hair off, I take my Perfect Touch Gel Wax and I use that as my edge control. So most of the time, what I prefer to do is take my rat tail comb and just comb out most of my front hair, like so. And then take that gel wax and apply it onto the hair. If you want more swoops, what you could do is you can use your rat tail comb to swoop your hair in to do your edges. Okay, and we are done. With this, I don't usually have to tie down my front just to make sure my edges are sleeping. But if you would like to secure it more, then you are more than welcome just to, I call it cooking them in. So yeah, this is my high puff. It's easy. It takes me under 10 minutes to achieve, and I mean, it looks like I tried. So yeah, thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.